You heard the sound? Look at this area. This area is wet. See this? Too wet. Very wet. As you can see, the whole of this area, from the high pressure pump, the air compressor, from this area, you see that wetness. There is wet, huh? That wetness. Okay. It shouldn't be here. Why is it here? It means something is leaking. And why is it leaking? Now we need to find out. That's why the driver is complaining there is sound in this area. Driver can only determine this area, okay? But our job as technicians is to define what could be the problem and what is the cause. So there comes the technician to find what is the cause, the sound. Okay? So, to my people, always if there is abnormal sound from the vehicle, engine, inform the drivers to stop the engine immediately. Stop the engine, let him park in the safe place, stop the engine. Stop the engine, then let the technician come and check the vehicle before it can be used or it can be put back on the road. That's why. So this vehicle was brought here and because of this. So it had a sound and it came by recovery. Yes. You will spend less on recovery, but you will save more on the engine. Okay? Because the cost of this place, this pump, it is too much compared to the recovery. Recovery is very cheap compared to the pump. The pump is more expensive, high pressure pump. So that is it.